Hey guys, it's Chris from Broncos and Parts Garage. Behind me, I've got a new 1995 H1 Hummer. It's new to me. As you know, I'm used to working on cars and trucks, so this is just, just another toy for me to play with and make some videos on. It is powered by a 6.5 liter center mount turbo diesel engine. Again, that's new to me as well. I guess it's a P400 motor. They're supposed to be the pinnacle of those series of motors. We'll find out. The diesel rattling, a lot of the forums said, deal with it, man, it's a Hummer, but I'm gonna try to quiet it down. I took the rear HVAC doghouse cover off. There's two doghouses, or two covers. One is the big hump covering the engine. The other one covers the rear HVAC controls. Right now, I took it out. I'm gonna show it to you in a second, and then I bought some 10 millimeter closed cell foam, some sound deadening foam in a big giant roll. I'm gonna use it on some of the other trucks in here as well. But let's take a look at what I took out of this truck, and I'll show you how I'm gonna quiet some of that sound out. And I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but we'll find out. All right, there's the HVAC system for the rear of the truck. It's very rudimentary. You can see this hose right here is the only hose that actually connects to a vent. The rest just blow out these holes, and hopefully it makes it out these vents back here. Unless this truck's missing something, but I can't imagine. It's kind of chintzy plastic. There's the two heater core lines, and then back there is the air conditioning line. Someone put some kill mat down, which doesn't make any sense because they put it over vinyl. That stuff stops resonating sounds like dings and pings. You don't get a lot with this mass-loaded vinyl here. And I tell guys in the groups all the time, dude, how many recording studios do you see with aluminum foil and thin rubber on the wall? You don't see any. That stops resonating sounds and vibrations. It's not a sound deadener. It doesn't stop sound. It doesn't attenuate sound. So let's take a look at the actual doghouse I removed here. Okay, here's the piece I took out. As you can see, it's just got this one flimsy hose that connects one simple vent. None of the other vents have hoses. As a matter of fact, when this is down and sealed up, this is kind of a dump for extra air. And right here, I guess that's how you heat your feet. These are just holes where vents would go, but there is no tubing that goes there. And again, I don't think mine's missing it. If it is, correct me, please. And that's your opening for your fan switch. So I'm gonna clean this up with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to use this right here. I've ordered some sound deadening foam that's foil backed. It's closed cell. It's 10 millimeters thick. We'll give that a try, and hopefully it'll quiet it up. And if it works, and we'll do a few tests by turning the fan on for the HVAC system. If it's quieter, then I'll take this doghouse off right here, the big one, and then we'll do the same thing there. Then we'll do behind the dash and eventually behind the trim pieces that you see here. So let's get this cleaned up right now. So I cut a piece from the roll about 20 inches wide. You can see it's foil backed, again, 10 millimeters. On this side, this is the sticky side, Ag Sound, I don't know whatever brand that is. Let's get this cut to fit this. All right, I've got it lined. Stuff's very sticky. Don't make fun of the job I did. Again, I'm not doing it for heat, I'm doing it for sound. Although I should have bought the soundproofing tape or the sound attenuating tape, because I guess sound goes through all these cracks that I've left in here. But this should do a considerable amount of sound dampening. Let's get this installed and find out. All right, I've got the rear HVAC control cover back on, or the rear doghouse, as you can see here. When I turn it on, it's not vibrating. Before, it would give me a nice vibration sound, and it was a little bit louder. I can't say it really killed any of the sound, but I'm going to fire up the truck. I know I'm not going to be able to tell a big difference, but it's got to be better than before. And then, again, next time we're going to do this, and then we're going to put the insulation on the hood.